Hi, I'm Randy Strobel with the GVSU Film and Video Alumni Chapter. Welcome to Alumni Live, the podcast where we discuss the industry, the GV film major, and alumni profiles.
When I was at school at Grand Valley, they're like, oh, the ad 2 is most important, just being a team player. But the thing is, that is genuinely it, though. That is what is so true.
It's a hard job to get, but the writer's assistant job is invaluable in learning how to write. But you're also in a room with 10 other writers, and you're seeing how they make TV, and you can't help but soak it in.
It doesn't matter who you are, or where you live, or how much resources you have. You've told a good story through a unique perspective, which is what festivals are looking for. You will succeed. And so that's how I've found my career, through festivals.
Subscribe to Alumni Live, the podcast, to stay up to date with new episodes. You can also find live video episodes on our YouTube channel. The Grand Valley State University Film and Video Alumni Network is here for you, and we're glad that you're here. Thank you for listening.